Mr. Man,
sir.
what you make you no work my car? Waiting they worry you.
See your thing that come. And you are why I wait you. Sure, good morning, sir. Sure, sir.
I dey talk like this. We don't smoke. Don't smoke no kite.
Sure, sir.
We don't take igbo.
Aka chi nazo na baranka. I just
Like that. Hey! The way you talk now make you dey speak less.
yes, sir. Okay.
Don't you know that I am Kizito, also Chinawalanko, Indian base? Are you a crazy man?
No, sir.
This is the car I want to use go and import my guys. Immigration office. It's a craze.
Sir. No,
Lie down, my man.
Sir, I beg.
This Igbo is enough for you. When person use the car to work, you work the car. No be say you go to smoke it.
Yes, sir.
I just say you know go better for life. Lie down.
I know you, sir. I know you, sir. I
Lie
beg.
down there.
I beg
Are you a
you,
Chris?
sir.
Are you a Chris man?
I'm not a Christian.
Why you never check? See the time why I blink for you.
I want to put this inside. Yeah, wow. Sure, sir.
Are you going out of your mind?
Hey!
Oh yeah, subscribe for me now.
Anywhere.
Subscribe.
Sir, I beg.
Subscribe for Kizito. Also Chinawalanko. One Indian base. Subscribe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Sir, this is the Aka American.
subscribe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey.
This Igbo make him become first and last. You useless immigrant. Whenever I bring this car again here, you never do am. If I come back again, you no do am. I go finish you. I go finish you where I dey peace. I go finish you. Mind yourself, oh. This Indian hem is enough. I hear say no subscribe for me. Man, no way to cause am.